hold on to your expectations. What you're about to witness is a tangible shift happening in real time across laboratories, factory floors, and even the deep sea. China's latest breakthroughs are not distant concepts. They are active projects solving today's pressing challenges in energy, travel, and science. This is a direct look at the engines of change that will impact global markets and daily life. From record-breaking solar cells to autonomous spaceships, the pace is relentless. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay ahead of the curve on the innovations that truly matter. The sun just got more powerful, thanks to a stunning achievement from a Chinese solar tech company. They have shattered the global record for solar cell efficiency. This isn't just a small step, it is a giant leap for renewable energy. The news sparked major excitement online, even drawing a positive reaction from a well-known tech figure. This event shines a bright light on the relentless pace of progress. It proves that China's latest breakthroughs in clean power are setting new global benchmarks. The technological advancement here means future solar panels will be far more effective. They will convert more sunlight into usable electricity. This drives down costs for everyone. It also accelerates our shift away from fossil fuels. The industrial progress behind this feat is immense. It involves new materials and precise engineering. This record is a clear signal. The future of energy is being rewritten right now. Imagine a commute above the traffic. A Shanghai-made flying machine just showed this future is close. It is an electric vehicle that takes off and lands vertically. It made its world debut on a serene lake. This electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle is designed for crowded cities. It will carry people and heavy cargo. The operation is quieter and greener than helicopters. It will also cost much less. This is a pivotal moment for urban transportation. It solves the classic problem of ground congestion. By taking to the skies, it creates new routes for logistics and personal travel. The engineering marvel uses multiple rotors for stable flight. Its electric power means zero emissions during flight. This vehicle is more than a prototype. It is a working blueprint for the cities of tomorrow. It turns science fiction into tangible reality. China's latest breakthroughs are literally giving transportation wings. Safety systems sit at the core of its design, with redundant controls and real-time monitoring. Urban planners see it as a tool to cut travel time between business hubs and airports. Emergency services could also use it for fast response during disasters. Step inside a warehouse where humans supervise and robots do the heavy lifting. A Chinese online retail giant has built a marvel of logistics efficiency. They call it Asia #1. This is a smart warehouse powered by advanced digital technology. Over 200 robots glide silently between towering racks. They fetch and ferry goods across a massive floor space. This system maximizes space utilization perfectly. It is a symphony of automation and intelligence. The result is faster, more accurate delivery for millions of customers. This solution is now working in over 10 countries. It tailors storage and logistics for different businesses. The technological advancement here is about seamless coordination. Sensors, software, and machines work as one. This reduces errors and saves immense time. It shows how industrial progress is revolutionizing even the most traditional sectors. The backbone of global e-commerce is being reinvented. Artificial intelligence directs each robot in real time to avoid delays and collisions. Energy-efficient systems keep operations running day and night with low power use. Human workers focus on planning, oversight, and quality control tasks. The warehouse adapts quickly to shopping peaks, such as major sales events. This model sets a new standard for global logistics infrastructure. In a major industrial city, artificial intelligence is remaking the factory floor. It is transforming old production lines into smart, digital ecosystems. At a local car plant, a quiet revolution hums. Over 600 robots perform precise tasks like welding. Automated guided vehicles shuttle parts silently. An AI-powered vision system inspects for flaws in real time. This is the heart of a new manufacturing era. With these digital systems, the plant can build over 2,000 different vehicle versions. It can deliver a custom-ordered car in just 1 week. This flexibility was once impossible. The citywide AI Plus manufacturing initiative is laying a digital foundation for all industry. It gives incredible precision to machine tools. Data shows this city is now a top 5 hub for artificial intelligence development in the country. Its AI industry revenue is enormous and growing fast. This proves that China's latest breakthroughs are deeply practical. They are creating smarter, more responsive, and more efficient industries. Production data flows through a central platform that adjusts processes on the fly. Downtime drops as predictive systems spot faults before failures occur. Workers gain new roles as operators, analysts, and system trainers. Energy use falls due to optimized machine scheduling. This factory model is now spreading to other sectors across the city. A nation known for its space feats is also plumbing the deepest oceans. A Chinese deep-sea research vessel has begun a joint mission with Chilean scientists. Their target is the Atacama Trench. It is the longest undersea trench on Earth. The ship carries a famous manned submersible. This sub previously reached a record depth in the Mariana Trench. It can operate under crushing pressure. It collects samples and takes stunning video. They explore biodiversity in extreme environments. A local official noted the importance of the sea to his country. He hopes for broader international cooperation. This voyage is more than exploration. It is a partnership for knowledge. It shows a shared commitment to uncovering Earth's final frontiers. To power a nation, you need immense systems. One of them is a steel giant on rails. A train stretching 1.3 kilometers long moves coal around the clock. It meets rising electricity demand. Its special loading system is shaped like a light bulb. This lets trains load without stopping. Each massive train carries enough coal to power 10,000 homes for a full year. This coal transport system is a masterpiece of infrastructure. It moves fuel via a dedicated railway across the country. This method cuts the need for thousands of truck trips. It also significantly reduces carbon emissions. The engineering marvel lies in its seamless, non-stop operation. It represents a critical link in the energy security chain. It ensures stable power supply to cities and industries. This system highlights how industrial progress often works behind the scenes. It is not always flashy, but it is absolutely vital for modern life and economic growth. A dangerous industrial waste product has met its match. Researchers have achieved a major technological advancement in treating hydrogen sulfide. This highly toxic gas is a common byproduct of fuel processing. Removing it safely has long been a tough challenge. After 20 years of work, a team has perfected a method. It uses light and electrochemical reactions to break the gas down. This solves big scaling problems for large projects. The technology is now in a demonstration project. It aims to treat a huge volume of the gas every year. The conversion rate is nearly perfect. The process produces valuable, high-purity sulfur and hydrogen. An expert explained the dual benefit. It fixes serious environmental issues. It also creates useful resources. A spacecraft etched its name in history with an unprecedented return. The Shenzhou 20 capsule landed safely after a marathon stay in orbit. Its planned return was delayed by a serious issue. It was suspected to have been hit by space debris. Tiny cracks were found in its window. The crew had already returned home on another vehicle, so this capsule had to come back alone. It began its fiery descent with no astronauts on board. All commands were sent from the ground. Despite its earlier damage, it survived searing re-entry heat. It touched down perfectly. Engineers hailed this as a landmark test. It proved advanced ground space coordination. It demonstrated a strong capacity to handle space emergencies. This space mission showcased incredible engineering endurance. The spacecraft lasted months longer than planned. This success marks a key step in ensuring the safe and reliable return of all future spacecraft. It is a testament to rigorous planning and technical skill. Winter brings a silent hazard to northern waters: sea ice. To combat this, China's own Icebreaker research vessel has begun a major survey. The ship is breaking ice and collecting data in a key bay. Sea ice threatens navigation and offshore energy structures. A team of researchers from many institutions is on board. They use high-tech tools like electromagnetic radar and AI-assisted analysis. They measure ice thickness and strength. This data is crucial for safety and forecasting. The vessel itself is a powerful engineering achievement. It can break through thick ice. But the mission also has an ecological heart. The bay is a breeding ground for protected spotted seals. The team is using drones and water sampling to study the seals in their environment. They want to understand how ice loss affects this fragile ecosystem. This scientific mission serves a dual purpose. It protects human economic activity and guards precious marine life. It is science in service of safety and nature. In freezing temperatures, a new engine roars to life. China's latest 1,200 kilowatt class turboprop engine has passed a critical test. It successfully ignited and ran at a biting minus 30 degrees Celsius. This stable operation in deep cold is a huge milestone. It moves the engine into the experimental verification phase. Developed independently, this engine is safe and cost-effective. It has a long life and sips fuel. Its potential uses are broad and exciting. It can power general aviation aircraft and large unmanned aerial vehicles. This technological advancement is key for operations in harsh, cold regions. It ensures reliability where it is needed most. The engineering behind cold weather startup is complex.